Hello, Ian Agrell, Agrell Architectural Carving. Here we have some rosettes and appliques. Just shows you the sort of variety that you can get. A lot of these are 18th century designs, we've used them for various projects, for example, fireplaces, etc. So you can see tremendous amount of these we've done. These are samples, pieces that we've done over the years. Acanthus there I see, and up at the top we have shell, very common design, a little bit of a Gothic thing there going on. Very sort of classical acanthus there. This, you know, with the acanthus in the center, that's an oak one. Shells with supporters in acanthus. More shells there as well. So appliques and rosettes.